Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be trying to replace the default tab option when we trying to change between the open applications. In macOS, there's no thumbnails showing with the application, and this is some kind of annoying for someone who is coming from Windows background or something, or any other kind of operating system, because you can't see anything inside the applications open unless you open them like this. And this is kind of privacy that it hides what's inside unless you open to just see the logo for the application that are open, and you don't know how many tabs are open within. And there is one application right here, so that can replace each and everything that we have. Something just called Alt Tab, and you just search it like Alt Tab or Mac or yes, type everything. See, this is application that we are looking for, Alt Tab for macOS, and then you just need to uh, click on this first website, and it's the same. So you just press download, and we will see the changes when we just try to download the application, because I have already installed, already downloaded, so it gives me that there's something wrong, but it's still you can download it as well. So move to application folder, don't show it again, and so on. Then we just ask for some permissions like recording the computer screen. Let's say open the settings, and we just need to give the permission for Alt Tab as well as for OBS screen recorder. Create and reopen. Then when we create and reopen, it will ask some kind of security questions and so on. It's allowed, and we still need to give accessibility permission, and just use your fingerprint or your password, and that's that. Then close it, and now it should work. The area is open, and when we tap okay, it's still show, and by default it's not using the command, so we need to choose option tab, and I think this we can change it from the settings only. So let us just go for the references, check for updates, check permissions, references, and we just need to hide it from the menu bar and open at login. Whenever we start the PC, it should work by default. And then for the controls, we just need to come here and change this from option to command only. This is for shortcut 1, shortcut 2, and so on. Then we close it. It will be running in the background, and it will replace the default tab option. We need to command tab, and it was alt tab, and now we just change it to command tab, and this is what we're looking for. So it's very convenient for anyone who is coming from background of a Windows operating system. And this is all about today's video. I hope I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.